Hello and welcome to another episode of What's in Store Fridays. My name is Mark Cockrell and I'm the manager here at the museum store with the Culture and Heritage Museums. Today we're going to show you some product that we carry in the store. It is Mrs. Sassard's Jerusalem Artichoke Relish. They've been in business since 1917, a long time business. It's a family run business in Charleston, South Carolina. You can use it on hot dogs, any way you want to use relish normally, but today I'm going to show you how you can use it in deviled eggs. So we're going to make some deviled eggs. Springtime coming up, people start thinking about picnics. So we're going to show you how to make some deviled eggs. So what you'll need is get you six eggs, and you want to put them in a pot, cover them about an inch over the eggs, bring it to a boil, turn off the heat, and just let it sit there for about 5 or 6 minutes. And they'll come out perfect every time. Because when you slice them, a lot of times you get the big ring around it. See how nice and tidy they come out. So you want to peel your eggs, slice them, put them in the bowl. And I get my eggs from this friend of mine. She raises chickens, and she's so nice to give me some eggs. Yeah, you just want to get all the yolks into the bowl because you're going to be mixing it up. Once you get your yolks in there, just leave them in there for a minute, and you want to add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Just put that in on the side. 3 tablespoons of this really good, delicious relish. And just go ahead and be generous with it. Smells really good. A 1/4 teaspoon of mustard. So we'll just give it a little squirt here. Don't need too much. And then you want a good pinch of cayenne pepper. So let's just get this in here. You just want a nice generous pinch. I like it a little spicy, so we'll put in 2. All right, take your spoon and just mix that up together on the side of the bowl. Once you get that all mixed up, just take your fork and break up your egg yolks and all of your ingredients here. But it's a great thing to take to the races. People don't make them, but they sure love them if somebody brings them to your party or your picnic. Once you get it mixed up, you want to take, and I want to show you this really cute, they call it a salt pig, because you see the nice cute little curly tail on it. But it's a salt pig you can leave on your counter. We sell them here in the store. But you just want to put in some coarse salt into your mixture. But yeah, these are handmade here in Rock Hill, South Carolina. But these are the cutest little things. They make great little gifts. All right, so put your salt in and give it another quick stir. I like to mound it up a little bit. We have some great pottery here in the store. We have these egg dishes and all kinds of locally made pottery. Okay, so then for your last thing, just to decorate it a little bit and give it a little extra something, some smoked paprika goes a long way. So just hold it up high and just give it a little shake to give it a light dusting. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this episode of What's in Store Fridays, making these really delicious deviled eggs using Mrs. Sassard's Jerusalem Artichoke Relish. Come in and get a jar and check out our pottery that we have. And I really would want you to check out these little salt pigs. They're so cute. And I'll have this recipe on my blog. So we hope you visit the blog as well. Visit the online store, chmuseums.myshopify.com. And we'll see you next time.